Hello everybody. In this video, I'll discuss RS Survival book from RS Survival book percentage chapter exercise 10A, the left part. That means from question number 7 I'll discuss here. So let's start it. Here question number 7, find 16 whole of 2 by 3% of 16. So at first this will be converted into improper fraction. That means it will be 16 3 is a 48 plus 2, that means 50% of 16. Then percentage means 1 by 100 of, that is multiplication, then 16. It can be cut, then 5 2s are 10 and by 2 this can be cut. So this is 8 by 3. We converted it into improper fraction. And this is improper fraction, I converted into mixed fraction. 3 2s are 6, 2 whole of 2 by 3. Now coming to question number 5 under 7. Here is decimal number given 2.8. Percent means 1 by 100. Of means multiplication 35. So here point will be removed, then 10 will come in the denominator. Then we can cut it by 4. 4 7s are 28. 4 25s are 100. Then by 5 it can be cut. 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25. Then 7 7s are 49 by 5 10s are 50. Then it can be converted into decimal also. So let's convert it into decimal. This is smaller, that's why point, I'll put here point, then 1 0 will come, then 5 9s are 45, then it will be this one for point 1 0 will come, then 5 8s are 40. As because here in the question decimal number given, that's why I converted into decimal. 0.98. Now question number 8. Here also same simplification. 7.5, that means 75 by 10. For percent, here will be 1 by 100. Of means multiplication 600, and this will be meter. Then zeros will be cancelled. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. That means 5 15s are 75. Then by 2 this can be cut. So the answer is 15 3s are 45 meter. Next question number 4 under 8. 3 whole of 1 by 3%. At first it can be converted into improper fraction. That means 10 by 3. Percent means 1 by 100. Of means multiplication, then 90 kilometer there is given. Then it can be converted into meter, or I can keep it here kilometer. That is depending on the sum. Then zeros will be cut. Then by 3 this 9 can be cut. That means the answer is 3 kilometer. Now question number 10. Find the number whose 6 whole of 1 by 4% is 2. That means find the number, that means let the number be x. Then the number whose 6 whole of 1 by 4% is 2. That means 6 whole of 1 by 4% of x is, that means equal to 2. That means 6 whole of 1 by 4% of x equal to 2. That is, here is given. So we have to find out the value of x. Then it will be 25 by 4%. Okay, percentage means multiply 1 by 100 of x equal to 2. Then by 25 it can be cut. 25 fours are 100. Then in this side here will be 4 fours are 16, and of x, of means multiplication. So x by 16 equal to 2. Then x equal to 2 into 16 implies x equal to 32. Therefore, the required number be 32. Now question number 12. What amount is 20% less than rupees 60? That means we have to first find out what will be the 20% of rupees 60. Then that will be less than from the total amount. So let's see it. So 20% of rupees 60, that means 20 by 100 multiply 60. That means rupees 12. Then this 20% means actually rupees 12. Then that will be less than how much? How much amount? What amount is 20% less than rupees 60? So 20% what will be? That is 12. So 12 will be subtracted from 60. Then we will get the amount, because here is given less than. That's why we will subtract here. If there will be given more than, then we will add that with the main amount. So let's see the answer. Therefore, the amount is rupees 60 minus 12. That means rupees 48. This is the answer. Now question number 14. If 12.5% of x is 6, find the value of x. Everything here is given. That means 12.5% of x is means equal to 6. Then solve it. Then we'll after solving it, we'll find out the answer of x. That means 12.5. That means 10. 125 by 10 into percentage means 1 by 100 of x, that is multiply x equal to 6. So this can be cut by 125, 125 4s are 100, 125 5s are, this can be cut by 25, 25 4s are 100, 25 5s are 125. Then by 5 it can be cut, 5 2s are 10. So here we'll get x by 4 2s are 8 equal to 6. Then x equal to 6 into 8 implies x equal to 48. This is the answer. Therefore, the value of x is 48. Now coming to question number 16. What percentage is 8 hours of 2 days? Then 2 days means how much hours, that we have to find out first. After that we can calculate it. Because here the rules is the unit will be same. So days is the larger unit, that's why days will be converted into hours. So let's see it. 1 day equal to 24 hours, we know that. Then 2 days equal to 24 into 2, that means 48 hours. So what percentage is? That means let the let x% we can take, or we can do it directly. That means 48 hours, 8 hours or 48 hours. That means 8 by 48, 8 hours out of 48 into 100%. That means we have to make it into percentage. That's why every time we have to multiply 100% with the required number, given number. Then we can cut it. 8 6 are 48. This can be cut by 2. 2 3 are 6. 50. That means 50 by 3%. It will be converted into mixed fraction. That means 16 3 are 48. So 16 whole of 2 by 3%. Now number 6. Here also same things. What percent is 25 paisa of rupees 4? That means this is the larger part, rupees 4. So it can be converted into paisa. That means rupees 1 equal to 100 paisa. So rupees 4 equal to 100 into 4. That means 400 paisa. Then directly we can do 25 paisa out of 400 paisa. Paisa can be cut, so we will not write once again that paisa, and this can be converted into percentage. That's why multiply 100%. Then zeros will be cut, zeros can be cut. Then this is 25 by 4%. It also converted into either point or mixed fraction. So this will be 4 6 are 24. Then 1 by 4. 6 whole of 1 by 4%. This is the answer.